Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Knew She Was Lying the Minute She Opened Her Mouth.
2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle driving with its lights off.
Hello.
Hello.
Officer at Fox Lake Police. The reason I'm stopping is you're driving with no lights on.
I turned my lights up by accident.
Okay. And then your license plates are also expired. Do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance?
I don't have my driver's license with me.
No.
No.
Okay. Do you have your insurance?
Oh, it's not on me.
Where is it?
Back at home.
Where's home?
Chicago.
Chicago? Do you have any ID on you?
Well, just my ID, but not my actual license.
Okay. What's up, man? Not too much. Do you have a picture of your license or anything like that? No. Where are we coming from?
Oh, Chicago?
You're coming from Chicago?
Yeah.
Okay. Where did you leave from when you were up here?
I'm not gonna lie, even though I'm vibing to the music, I can't stand when someone doesn't have the respect enough for the officer to put the radio on pause or whatever, or turn the music off. You know what I'm saying? I do like that song, but it's a respect thing, man. The officer shouldn't have to be talking over music as well.
We left from Keystone Road.
What were you doing there?
Visiting family.
Family? How come you didn't pull over right away?
I was trying to get on the side so I don't pull over on the street.
Do you have a driver's license out of Illinois?
Not all of Illinois.
Do you have a driver's license here at all?
I do.
What state is your driver's license out of?
Well, I had a license here, but I got my license
Because it's coming back no record. Birthday?
Yeah.
And last name? And you don't have a middle name?
No, I don't have a middle name.
Have you had a driver's license in any other state?
I have a driver's license in Florida.
In Florida? Did you ever have one here in Illinois? Okay. Any drinks tonight?
No, I haven't drank.
You haven't drank anything?
I'm just tired. Maybe that's it.
Has he been drinking? No?
No. We're just tired. Yes.
Well, give me a second, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so did you have a driver's license or a permit?
I have a license here.
Okay, because you're coming back no record out of Florida, so you haven't had a file or a driver's license out of Florida, and then your one here, you only had a permit.
I did have a license at one point.
Okay. Well, as of now, you don't have a...
You definitely going to jail now. This shit is over with.
valid. You've never had a valid driver's license.
This is this?
Yeah. What year were you born? Okay, because the one that we're getting... Do you have any form of ID on you? Because like I said, the only file that's coming back is that address in Chicago.
This comes like a valid address?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
With a middle name of M. Is that you?
Yeah, that is me. I might have the wrong birthday actually. Because
You gave me the wrong birthday or the state the wrong birthday?
well, I had a history of like, just, I used to have like a fake ID in the past, so I kind of use that.
So you had a fake ID and you used the birthday from your fake ID.
Well, I just told you
Is this a real ID or a fake ID?
this is a, well, that's the bird that I always want.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a birthday for my mother on my IDs that I have.
Do you have that one with you?
No, I threw that one out. I'm sorry. It's the real ID though.
I see that.
Your ass going to jail, man.
All right.
Just take her out.
What time did you get to Fox Lake?
We got here.
Step out the car.
We got here maybe at around like 1 a.m.
1 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was just a quick visit. It wasn't like anything like
Okay.
staying.
And partner, you said you have zero ID? Because as of now, we're going to have to tow the car. Unless you're a valid driver.
You want to tow the car?
Well, as of now, if you're both not valid, you don't have insurance, we're going to have to.
Okay.
Do you have a picture of your insurance? Do you have it on your phone? Do you have insurance at all? Or
I do.
You do? Okay, well, do you understand why I'm asking? Because you lied to me about your birthday.
Yeah.
So I got to figure out what's actually true.
Yeah, but the car would get towed regardless because you can't have a car on the road with no insurance. So, well, I don't know. Each state is different. I don't know, but I would assume whether he had an ID or not, the car would still get towed because he can't. What if he takes the car, but he's not on the insurance at all, right? Because they don't have insurance, and he gets into a car accident. So regardless of the fact, they probably just want to really identify him. That's really why they keep asking him. They just want to see who he is. But this is really all on her.
What isn't?
Yeah. The only picture I have is my social security. The only picture I have is my social security.
That doesn't quite do me any good.
No.
All right. Where would it? Fox Towing in Fox Lake?
Fox Lake.
All right. And you said you haven't had anything to drink tonight?
No, I'm sober.
Okay. Have you smoked?
No, I haven't smoked for anything.
When was the last time you smoked?
I don't smoke.
No?
No.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to have you step out, dear, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. So you said you haven't had anything to drink tonight?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm sober, yeah.
Okay. And then, how come you never got a license?
Well, my license, I had the whole process with my license. It was difficult because I kind of gave up on getting it.
Okay, so then why are you driving without a license?
Well, I wasn't going to drive that far, to be honest. We were just going to...
Chicago.
No, we weren't going all the way back to Chicago.
Where were you going to go?
I was just kind of trying to stop on the side somewhere. I feel tired, that's why I didn't want to drive all the way back.
So you left your uncle's house that you could have slept safely.
Yeah, well, my uncle is, he smokes and everything, so I don't want to be sleeping there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he doesn't have a license either. What's his name?
He?
Yeah.
Yeah, his name.
What's his last name?
See, told you. They don't want that car getting towed regardless. He really just want to know who he is. He want to identify him. And here she go.
Yeah.
Does he have a middle name?
I don't think so.
No. Is he out of Chicago too?
Yeah, I mean,
How do you know him?
I met him through friends.
Through friends? Okay. Do you know where he lives?
Currently he's homeless currently.
Homeless? Do you know where he was before?
Somewhere in Arlington Heights, I don't remember where.
Arlington Heights? Okay. 735, can you sound X a name? Miles, turn your radio on. Thanks. 10-4. What?
If you guys tow the car, we have to I
I don't know where you'd go. Probably back to your uncle's house.
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna be placed under arrest for driving with no driver's license. Place your hands behind your back, okay?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, it's okay. So you guys are taking my head too?
You'll get it back.
Okay.
Okay, watch your head getting in, okay, dear?
She Russian? Sound Russian. Okay.
How long have you said you own the car for?
So 4 years?
4 years? How come there's like seats like there's mats like it just got purchased?
Well, those mats have been there always.
Do you drive that car a lot? No? Okay. And what's his name? And what's his last name? You know when he was born?
Well, he didn't.
Okay, what's his birthday?
The right answer is ask him. You asking me, ask him. He's a passenger. Like, you fishing, my guy. Ask him.
Okay.
That's what I know, yeah.
Okay, how long have you known him for?
Almost a year.
Okay. And whose weed's in the glove box?
Who?
There's like weed in the glove box. Whose is that?
There's weed there?
Yeah.
I don't think that's mine. Maybe my mom left it in there. She does smoke. I don't smoke though.
Okay. Well, it's like loose. It's like.
Oh, I don't know then whose is it.
Okay. All right.
The woman was
charged with
charged
it.
with driving without a license and obstructing identification. Thanks for watching today's video.
I thought she would get charged with that. Yeah, man. Oof. It's crazy. Let me see here. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Crazy situation, man. But we about to get into all right, let's go. About to get into our jailhouse accountability scorecard, man. Yeah, so 0 equals handled it perfectly, 10 equals crash out. All right, the closer you are to 0, the better you did. The closer you are to 10, the worse you did. All right, so we got 6 categories: compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety, risk, and wasted chances. All right, so for compliance, 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. She was calm, but she had no license, no insurance, expired plates, and gave bad information. Okay. Her story about this whole ID thing and license was complete BS, man. Attitude, 2 out of 10. She stayed respectful and did not mouth off, so this scores stays low. All right, so like, yeah, she's talks very like low and calm. Like, it wasn't the usual I hate the police, yada yada. It wasn't that. It wasn't one of them turned up videos. This was pretty chill and laid back. Okay, so she gets a 2 out of 10 for that. Self-control, no screaming, no fighting, no running, just bad decision making. 2 out of 10. Right, that's self-explanatory. Truthfulness, 9 out of 10. The wrong birthday, fake ID explanation, and changes license story cooked her. Okay, cooked. Right, she kept lying. She's only had a permit or whatever case may be, never had a license. So 9 out of 10 for that, because she's a liar. All right. Safety risk, 4 out of 10. Driving with no lights and no valid ID created risk, but she didn't get physical. Right, so she didn't get physical with the police officers or anything like that or whatever. But there definitely was some risk there, driving without headlights and stuff like that type of stuff. But as far as how she treated the police, that encounter with them, no, not really. So pretty much 4 out of 10, middle of the road. Wasted chances, 7 out of 10. The officer gave her multiple chances to clear up her identity, license, and insurance, and she kept making it worse by lying. Okay, one thing she is good at is lying. No, not really. Final jail score 30 out of 60. Converted score 5 out of 10. All right. If she was an inmate, she wouldn't be that much of a problem. She'd be like real sneaky, try to get away with things, try to be real sneaky or whatever. But I don't think she would be one of those that's like, you probably wouldn't even notice that she was there. Okay. She would fly under the radar. And, that's a good thing in those settings. Fly under the radar. I shouldn't know you.